Hi friends, if you have DVD motor with broken wires or rusty frames, then this video is for you. I have designed and 3D printed body by taking measurements from actual DVD motor. I used PLA filament to make this body. Follow this process to scavenge inside parts of DVD motor. Make sure to place the rotor in this direction and not to hit too hard. I got the shaft from my another old DC motor. I bet nobody knew this easy way to remove magnets from DC motor. If you knew this before, let me know in the comments. This super glue fixes everything except broken heart. I soldered these brushes with new wires. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.